Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, Clark County, until 6 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springfield, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Enon, South Charleston, Mechanicsburg, Harmony, Lisbon, South Vienna, Tremont City, Donaldsville, Catawba, Mutual, Green Meadows, Buck Creek State Park, Powhatan, Snyderville, Pitchen, Catawba Station, Terry Hutt, New Moorfield, and Plattsburgh. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 68.